Section 5, managing tool sets, searching PDFs, running OCR. The first video of Section 5 is going to be tool set overview. So we'll quickly jump in there and kind of take a look at the tool set. So I'll go ahead and open up Bluebeam and we can look at it. So with Bluebeam open, we can take a look over here in the left panel and we can see this tool chest button. So if we click on this, it'll give us all the different tool sets within our tool chest. So we can then just start selecting these different elements and bringing them into the drawing. So for example, if I want to grab this arrow, I just select it and then I can start pointing at different things. Maybe if I want to do a cloud, add another cloud. So I can go ahead and do that with these tools. And for every tool that I use here, it also adds it to the recent tools. Some of these tool sets are already kind of set up when you download Bluebeam, but you can customize these and change these up quite a bit. I mean, you can right click these and remove them. You can duplicate them if you want to add them and then change some of the settings. You can do a variety of different things to these tool sets to make them your own. We'll take a quick look at the settings. So if we grab settings, we have some information here. So if we check this off, well, actually, if we grab symbol, it'll reduce it down to just symbol, and we can turn details on to get more information on the different tools within that set of tools. We can also set the scale. We can create a legend of these different items. So if I create a legend of this one, we can see that we've already placed items on this sheet, and it gives us a little helpful count and then kind of what it is, an image of the actual symbol. Just to give you a visual example, if I draw another arrow, it's going to up that count. So it's just a quick way to kind of place a legend and it automatically counts each element that you add. This is only specific to the architect review, this one right here. So the tool chest that we're pulling stuff out of, that's what this legend applies to. We can also customize this. We can export this list. So we can export out all these tools and then use them for other Bluebeam environments. So if you want to bring it in on another person's computer, you can share these. Or if you have another desktop that you're using Bluebeam, you can export these out and use them on there as well. And when you do start editing these and changing it up, you can save it. So if you come down here and save. Otherwise, if you grab on something, you're not going to get that save option. Not until you start messing around with these and changing stuff up. Another nice thing is if you're looking at this and you can't really, not just visualize it, but if the buttons are too small and you just want to look at one panel, you can come in here and hide these. So select each one and hide them. Let's say we just want this design symbol. So we'll hide everything except for the design symbols. And now we can quickly just grab these. This is all that's there, and we don't have to worry about kind of filtering down to find these specific symbols. And if you're having trouble with these, you can also size these and make them a little bit bigger so that you can easily grab them. I'm going to reduce this back down. And then to get these back, you just come up here to your tool chest drop down. So if we drop this down, we can just start selecting them and they'll all come back. So that's pretty much it. We have these options here. We can grab these elements by selecting them individually and then just placing those elements on the sheet. We can create a legend. We can change these up